CBS 46 News hourly coronavirus update. Here's the latest at 9 o'clock. The CDC is recommending no events with more than 50 people for at least 8 weeks. That means concerts, weddings, any big social events. These new recommendations came right as Atlanta Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms signed an executive order banning crowds of 250 people or more. Soon after, the mayor tweeted saying she says she's going to continue to monitor the situation in Atlanta, and if she needs to adjust that policy, she will. And the numbers are changing rapidly. Here's the latest information we have here in Georgia. At least 99 cases have been confirmed, along with 1 death. This as 2 people in Athens, Clark County have tested positive. Both are at home and doing well. The first person to participate in a clinical trial to find a vaccine against coronavirus will get an experimental dose today. Health officials say it'll take at least a year before a vaccine is available to the public. And with schools closed until further notice, many families are scrambling to figure out how they'll feed their children. Thankfully, though, the Atlanta Public School District is making arrangements to help with that. Starting today, school officials will begin distributing free meals. Families can show up from 10 until 2, Monday through Friday, to pick up sack lunches. Again, that program starts today, and it's going to start at 5 schools specifically, and more sites are expected to open in the coming days. And you can download the CBS 46 app to get up-to-date information on those distribution sites. Atlanta-based Chick-fil-A will temporarily close its dining room seating and its playgrounds to limit that person-to-person contact. Some of the chains will offer drive-through services. Other might offer takeout, delivery, or mobile order options only. Also, Starbucks announcing big changes in the spirit of social distancing. They will shift to a to-go model only at thousands of locations for the next couple of weeks. You can still use the drive-thrus and delivery services, but indoor and patio seating is going to be closed. Starbucks also temporarily closing stores altogether in malls and on college campuses. And you can look for more restaurants and bars to announce closings in the coming days as well. Already, governors in 5 states have shut down restaurants. Georgia has not made the move to close restaurants quite yet, but we're watching it closely and expect updates from state officials throughout the week. And some other coronavirus headlines we're tracking this Monday morning. Piedmont Healthcare is restricting visitors at all 11 hospitals, so be sure you call ahead if you have any questions on that. And the Georgia primary, well, it has been postponed to May 19th instead of March 24th. And nationally, you've probably heard this, the Federal Reserve slashed interest rates to 0. The nation's economic losses from the coronavirus pandemic are forcing a lot of people to think about their own financial futures, checking in on their profiles. The stock market, of course, is down, and it's affecting IRAs, 401ks, and pensions. And finally, we are waiting on remarks from President Trump and his coronavirus task force this morning. We'll, of course, bring that to you live when it happens. And our next update coming your way at 10 a.m. We hope you'll join us then. From all of us at CBS 46 News, I'm Carolyn Ryan.